Hey there! So, let's dive into the problem we're facing. The issue at hand is that when trying to save a specific worksheet from an XLSX file as a CSV, the writer ends up saving the content of the first worksheet instead. Quite a frustrating problem, right? Now, on to the solution. To tackle this issue, we can make use of a specific feature in PhpSpreadsheet. By setting the sheet index before saving the CSV file, we can ensure that only the desired worksheet's contents are exported. In the realm of solutions, it's crucial to remember to set the sheet index using the following line of code. $writer set sheet index 0. Default is 0. This simple step ensures that the CSV file will only contain the data from the specified worksheet. Expanding on the solution, the key lies in creating a new CSV writer object, determining the current sheet index, setting the desired sheet index, and finally saving the CSV file with the appropriate title. By following these steps, you guarantee that the CSV will accurately reflect the contents of the selected worksheet. In conclusion, by employing the setSheetIndex function and following the outlined steps, you can successfully save a CSV file based on a specific worksheet. It's a handy trick to have in your PhpSpreadsheet toolkit. Alright, that wraps up our discussion today. Remember to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. Stay tech savvy, my friends.